Welcome to English Stories with Dr. K.
Returning a smartwatch bought online. Cheryl had been eagerly anticipating the arrival of her new smartwatch, a sleek, futuristic gadget that promised to simplify her daily routine. However, as soon as she opened the box, disappointment set in. It didn't fit comfortably on her wrist, leaving her dissatisfied. Frustrated, she decided to return it. After carefully repackaging the smartwatch, she headed out to the store to return her device, unaware that the process would be more complicated than expected. Reaching the store, Cheryl made her way to the customer service desk, only to find a long line. She joined the line and inched forward, waiting patiently. When she finally reached the counter, she explained why she needed to return the smartwatch. The sales clerk examined her receipt, then offered an apologetic smile. "I'm sorry, ma'am, but since this was purchased online, you'll need to post it back to the warehouse." Cheryl felt a wave of frustration. Now she had to go through the hassle of repackaging and shipping it again, not knowing when she would get her refund. Though disappointed, she refused to think about it. She hurried home, repacked the smartwatch, and dropped it off at the post office. As she walked away, Cheryl couldn't help but reflect on the irony of the situation. Online shopping was meant to be convenient, yet returning a single item felt like an ordeal. Still, she remained hopeful. Perhaps one day the process would become as seamless as the shopping experience itself.
Vocabulary practice. Anticipating. Expecting something to happen. She was anticipating a package in the mail. Frustrated. Feeling annoyed or upset because something is difficult. She was frustrated when her computer stopped working. Seamless. Smooth and without problems. The transition between songs was seamless. Hassle. A situation that causes difficulty or inconvenience. Returning the product was a hassle. Ordeal. A difficult or unpleasant experience. Waiting in the long line was an ordeal. True or false? Cheryl was excited to receive her smartwatch. True. The smartwatch fit perfectly on Cheryl's wrist. False. Cheryl was able to return the smartwatch at the store. False. The sales clerk apologized but couldn't accept Cheryl's return. True. Fill in the blanks. Listening comprehension questions. What was Cheryl eagerly anticipating? Cheryl was eagerly anticipating the arrival of her new smartwatch. Why was Cheryl disappointed with her new smartwatch? She was disappointed because it didn't fit comfortably on her wrist. What problem did Cheryl face at the store's customer service desk? The sales clerk told her that since she bought the smartwatch online, she had to return it by mail. How did Cheryl feel about the return process? She found the process frustrating and ironic, as online shopping was supposed to be convenient. Great job completing this lesson. Your dedication is truly inspiring, and each step forward brings you closer to achieving your goals of learning English. Keep up the fantastic work.
Please subscribe, like, and share.